guys? Rob here with Flea Market Flipper, stoked to bring you the flip of the week. Check it out. This week we had sold this water heater. It's a natural gas hot water heater. We bought 6 of these on a pallet. We paid $30 a piece for them. I just sold this one for $300. We have them listed for $299. So super stoked. Getting ready. As you guys can see, I have my styrofoam back here, my box behind me here, my tape gun. I'm getting ready to cut this styrofoam down, throw it in the box, get it shipped out. So that's what I'm working on tonight. So I wanted to show you guys, this is our flip of the week. Made some good money on it. Super stoked about it. We still have a couple of these bad boys left. And we sold them as is for parts because I don't have any way to check it, which you can do a lot of the times. But that's it. We just wanted to show that to you guys and also let you know we are throwing, what is it, Melissa? We have next week registration
workshop.
Yeah, we have a 6-week workshop going on next week. So if you guys are interested in shipping some of this larger stuff, you can see this thing's not small. It's pretty big. So it probably weighs, I'd say probably weighs 60 pounds, 50 or 60 pounds. And a lot of people wouldn't try and ship this, but you know, we made some good money on it, so I'll ship whatever I can. So that workshop is engineered more towards furniture flippers, but we're going to cover some large shipping with it. It will help anybody who wants to start shipping some big stuff. So check out the link below if you guys are interested in it. Otherwise, we just wanted to show you guys the flip of the week. Super stoked about it, and we will talk to you soon. You guys have a great night. See ya!